In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automatic discounts on Shopify. If you're looking to offer your customers a seamless, enjoyable shopping experience without needing them to apply a code, automatic discounts are your go-to solution. Let's walk through the steps to set this up effortlessly. To begin, direct your attention to the left panel of your Shopify dashboard, where you'll find a menu selection named Discounts. When you click on Discounts, it will open up a list showcasing all the discounts you've previously created. This overview allows you to manage and review your existing promotions, ensuring that you're on top of which ones are currently active or have expired. From there, look towards the top right of the screen, and you'll see a button labeled Create Discounts. Clicking on this will begin the process of setting up a fresh discount. It's where the magic begins, as you decide what type of discount you want to offer your customers. You'll be met with a variety of options such as percentage discounts, fixed amount discounts, or even buy one, get one deals. Select the type of discount based on what suits your marketing strategy and customer needs best. Once you choose, you'll be smoothly guided into the discount creation field, which is your canvas for customizations. The next step is crucial. Within the creation field, you'll highlight the automatic discount option. This is where you set the stage for a discount to be applied automatically at checkout, ensuring a hassle-free experience for your customers. No more searching for codes or wondering why a discount hasn't applied. The system takes care of it all seamlessly. Now, you'll need to fill in the essential details of your discount. Start by giving your discount a unique and descriptive title, making it easy for you to identify in the future. Next, specify the discount value. This could be a percentage or a fixed amount depending on what you selected initially. Make sure this value is appealing and competitive, encouraging your shoppers to add products to their cart. Following this, determine the eligibilities and requirements. These might include spending thresholds, product categories the discount applies to, or specific customer segments. Setting up these parameters ensures that the discount aligns perfectly with your sales goals and targets the right audience. Once you've entered all these details, you'll finalize the creation of your discount by clicking Save. And there you have it, a brand new automatic discount ready to enhance your customers' shopping experience and potentially boost your sales. By setting up automatic discounts on Shopify, you're not just saving your customers time, but also adding a valuable tool to your marketing arsenal. An effortless checkout experience can be just the incentive needed to convert a casual browser into a loyal customer. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.